Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of PEPE, AAVE, APT, MNT and TAO. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of PEPE against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at the trend of PEPE, it is currently moving in its downtrend and it has recently given a breakdown of this arc formation when it gave the closing below 0.00000793 in this candle, and after that it has exposed three targets on downside where its first target is at 0.00000698. Its second target is at 0.00000603 and its final target is around 0.00000510. So these are the three targets that it has exposed on a downside after this new breakdown. And if you have bought this coin at higher rates and you are stuck into this coin, so as this coin is moving its downtrend, so if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin, so this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point would be around. First, it would be the breakdown level that is 0.00000793, and the final exit point will be at 0.00001074. So that would be the maximum level where you can go for exit into this coin if you have bought this coin at higher rates. The next coin is so this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be either sell on a new breakdown that has already been done in this candle, or we can go for sell on strength, and strength levels are at 0.00000793 and 0.00001074. So these two levels are the is the strength levels for exiting from this coin. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until this coin start its uptrend. We will get the early confirmation that we will get the initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give the closing above 0.00001225. So before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. The next coin is the AAVE. So if we look at AAVE against the USDC on a 1 day time frame, currently it was in a downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this arc formation when it gave the closing below 256 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of around 200. That was the support on daily time frame according to these levels, and this target has already been achieved in this candle, and currently prices are also moving around this final target. So what's next? As this coin is moving in its a downtrend, so we have to follow two strategy. First strategy is a sell on a new breakdown, and the second strategy is a sell on the strength. And we will get the new breakdown in this coin if it gives closing below 192. If it will give closing below 192, its prices can go on downside, and where it will expose the first target of 176, second target of 154, and the final target will be around 128 on downside if it will give closing below 192. The second strategy is sell on strength. The sell on strength in if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to exit from this coin, then this coin can give you a chance to exit from this, and that exit point will be at 256, and that level will also be the strength level in this coin. So if we follow the strategy of sell on strength, so that strength level is also 256. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, So I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get the initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 256. So this 256 level is very crucial in this coin. The next coin is APT. If we look at the trend of APT against the USDC on the 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in a downtrend. When it started its downtrend when it gave the breakdown of this double top formation, when it gave closing below 10.21 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 6.26. This target has already been achieved in these candles. Currently, prices are consolidating at 5.27. So if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin, so this coin might give you a chance to exit from this, and that exit point would be around 7.20. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 7.20. So you need to keep in mind that it has a very crucial level of 4.30. So if it gives closing below 4.30, it will submit a new breakdown, and after that in that scenario its prices can easily go on downside to the level of 2. So you need to make sure that if you have bought this coin, either you can go for exit around 7.20, or you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 4.30, because if it will give closing below 4.230, its prices will easily go to the level of 2. So 4.30 level is very crucial, and on upside the 7.20 level is very crucial in this coin. The next coin is MNT. So if we look at the trend of MNT against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this double top formation, that is trend reversal formation in this coin, in this candle, when it gave closing below 0.9849. After that, it exposed two targets on downside, where the first target was at 0.8374, that has already been achieved in this candle, and its final target, the final target of this double top formation is around 0.6161. So we can expect the prices to come to this final target, that is 0.6161. So if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin, so the exit point would be around 0.9849, and as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 0.9849. And as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get the initial confirmation that this coin is going into its uptrend when it will give closing above 0.9849. So this 0.9849 is very crucial level in this coin, so you need to keep it in your mind if you want to trade in this coin, or if you have this coin in your portfolio. So if you have done short selling on the breakdown, then your targets would be around, the first target is at 0.8374, that has already been achieved, and its final target for short selling is at 0.6161. So we can expect the prices to touch these levels in upcoming days. The next coin is a TAO. So if we look at TAO against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating at the rate of 372. So it has the resistance of this consolidation zone is at 497, and the support of this consolidation zone is at 240. If you want to go for buying, you need to make sure either you go for buying at support level, that is 240, and you need to put your stop loss below 240, or you can wait for new breakout into this coin, and you need to make sure that the prices give closing above 500, and you can go for buying at 500 with the stop loss below your buying rate. So currently prices are in between these support and resistance levels. So it has 50% chance of going upside on its resistance level and 50% chance of going on its support level, that is on the downside, that is 240. So we have a lot of risk in this coin on current level. So we can keep it in our watch list, and we need to make sure either it gives a breakout above 400, about above 500 for buying, or it gave closing, or it start moving upside and takes support from 240 for buying. And if it gives closing below 240, so it will simply continue its downtrend and its prices can fall even further to the level of, let me mark that level. So if it gives closing below 240 in upcoming days on 1 day time frame, so it prices can easily fall to the level of 13.20. So you need to make sure that you have, sorry, well, I cannot predict its final target below 250, 240 at this moment, but we need to make sure that we sell this coin if it gives closing below 240 level. So I have discussed these coins on 1 day time frame. So if you want to get their alerts on smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30-minute time frame, for such kind of alerts, you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description. So that's all for now. See you in next video.